Hello. My name's Gigi Peach. I hope you're having a good day. Here's a video of me painting the fish for my crab project. The fish is made out of lightweight clay, and the clay color was red. So I painted the fish with white paint primer, which will provide a good painting base. And I want to cover the red, as I don't want red hues showing in my painting. Right now I mixed pearl pigment with Mod Podge to create paint that will make the fish shimmery. I poke a needle at the bottom so that I can paint the fish's head without getting paint on my fingers. With a little bit of the pearl paint left, I added a little bit of black pigment to create gray. Now I start painting the fish details. I have the crab photo on my monitor, and my first fish attempt as my reference. I wasn't happy with my first fish because of the size. Its proportion didn't match with the crab. So I made the second fish much bigger. Its size and proportion felt just right. Don't worry, the little fish has become friends with another crab and they're best friends. After finishing painting the details, I left the fish to dry. Now to paint the blue parts of the fish. If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing. It'll help me out so much. I use my finger to gradiate the blue into the other colors, so it looks less harsh. I diluted the blue to create a translucent paint by adding more Mod Podge. Letting the paint dry. Now creating dark blue paint for the fish's markings. When it comes to painting, I don't think too much on how I paint, because I feel like if you think too much, the results doesn't come out natural. Now making the blue paint. I painted the fish's cheeks to dark, so I want to lighten them up. Blending paint with a finger creates a natural appearance and make very nice gradients. If you ask every artist who uses traditional mediums if they've used their fingers to paint, I guarantee that a lot of them have. Now I create pearl paint to lighten the cheeks more. Painting details now. Painting with finger to pad the paint more. Using fine permanent pen to draw the details, such as the eyes, scales, and tail. Giving fish eyeliner to give a bigger, cuter eyes. As someone who used to like drawing webcomics, I do enjoy drawing lots of lines. Finished. Now to introduce it to its new crab friend. Ah, match made in heaven. Here's a close-up of the fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. Please check out the channel to see more videos. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.